Welcome to Reclaim.ai. In this short video, we'll show you an overview of how Reclaim's smart scheduling works so you and your team can automatically plan the perfect work week. First off, what is Reclaim? Reclaim is an AI scheduling assistant for Google and Outlook Calendar. It helps your team block time for meetings, tasks, habits, even breaks. And when plans change, Reclaim automatically reschedules everything to the next best time. Let's take a look at a common example. Lunch. Say you want to make time for a daily lunch, but you're flexible about when you take your break depending on everything else you have to do that day. You can create a habit for your lunch break, and it will automatically schedule around the other events in your calendar. Instead of having a fixed lunch at 12 p.m. every day, Reclaim can book your break between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. for up to an hour or as little as 30 minutes if you're busy. And if a meeting or another event interrupts your lunch, Reclaim will automatically reschedule it to another time around your preferences, keeping your daily plan flexible and adaptive. Reclaim is all about flexibility. It doesn't just fill up your calendar with the movable blocks that prevent you from taking meetings. It intelligently detects when you're running out of time to get something done and automatically flips your events from free to busy, helping you balance collaboration with focused work. While Reclaim automatically schedules your work week, you're always in control. You can prioritize exactly what you want to get done in real time, and if you ever want to make changes, Reclaim is built for that. You can adjust your schedule from the planner, in your calendar, or even in Slack. This applies to everything you create in Reclaim, from habits like lunch and one-on-one meetings to tasks, scheduling links, between meeting breaks, and more, so you and your team always have time to get the most important things done. It's a smarter, more flexible, and more agile way to plan your perfect work week. And remember, Reclaim is better together. Don't forget to invite your team so everyone can get more out of the week. Ready to take back your calendar? Have fun getting to know Reclaim, and don't hesitate to reach out via in-product chat if you have any questions. Happy scheduling!